Hey, Nate from PostNow. Today, in a minute, I'm going to show you how to plan out your campaign depending on how many households you want to hit or how much you have to spend. Let's get to it. Start by heading up to the direct mail option and selecting direct mail pricing. Once the page loads, scroll down to the calculator and choose your quantity or budget. Today, I've got $1,000, so I'm going to add that to my field and I'll scroll down. You'll note that my campaign rate, which includes my design, print, and mail prep, as well as my Canada Post postage rate, is included. And I'm presented with my personalized mail options, neighborhood mail options, postal code targeting, and how many households, depending on the format, I can send out. I can also flip this and see how much it's going to cost to send out 1,000 pieces to a particular neighborhood mail audience. I'll use the filter here to select just the neighborhood mail options, where I'll be presented the print rate, including design, print, and mail prep, as well as the postage rate. That's it. Thanks for watching.